In this video, we'll see about eye constraints and binding the rig to the geometry. Rigify Part B. Creative Park. Expect the unexpected. Subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Log into creativepark.co.in to download the model. In last video, we saw joint placements and generating Rigify rig. The link to the video is given below the description. Once we generate the rig, we can hide the meter rig for now. It's always good to keep meter rig in a separate layer in case we need to adjust or regenerate rig again. For example, you decide to add something more detail to your character ponytail. You can regenerate your rig without losing your previously generated features. After human rig generation, you can see a new armature named rig will be added to your scene. The character rig you have generated will contain all the control features. Before we bind armature to the geometry, let's create a new collection for non-deforming geometries. Select the eyeballs and upper and lower teeth. Press hotkey M to create a new collection. We will not assign any weights to eyeballs and teeth. In this scene, we'll parent the eyes and teeth to the respected bones directly. To get a clear view, let's hide the girl mesh for now. The last 3 layers are the bone layers. Later we'll see in detail about bone layers. Click the last bone layer to keep visible. Now select the hair and the armature in object mode. Press Ctrl and tab to pose mode. Carefully select the bone spine 006 and press Ctrl plus P from drop down menu. Set parent to the bone. We'll repeat the same process to the eyeballs and teeth, but need to select with different bone joints. Select the left eye and select the joint named ORGIL. Press Ctrl plus P from drop down menu. Set parent to the bone. For upper teeth, select the bone named upper teeth ORG teeth T. let's bind the girl geometry to the rig. First select the girl geometry and shift select the armature in object mode. Press Ctrl plus P from the drop down menu, select set parent to with automatic weights. Automatic weights will create vertex groups for the geometry and assign the weights within each groups automatically with proximity based weights to each bone. As you can see, when we deform the armature widgets in pose mode, the girl geometry deforms along with bones in a smooth and organic way. The Rigify layers have custom parameters in View 3D panel that appears when the rig is selected. This toggle controls the armature layer visibility. It has the same effect of enabling and disabling the layer visibility from armature layers menu. In next video, we'll see about last 3 bone layers and paint weights. Thank you. Subscribe, hit the notification bell.